Happy Friday, happy Friday. I just want to come on and tell everyone, have a beautiful day on purpose. No matter what you're going through, it's going to be all right. And as the famous words of my brother, if it ain't all right, it's going to be all right. This is a lovely brunch sandwich that my daughter made for me. I have a fried egg, some Colby Jack cheese, some tomatoes, and yes, I'm eating some bacon. I think that I deserve to cheat every now and then because when I go to dialysis, I'm always underweight. The only thing they've been doing lately is just cleaning my blood. I try to eat healthy on a daily basis, and I'm not going to say I'm perfect, and yes, I do cheat. But when I cheat, I don't go overboard. I do it in moderation. Remember, to all my diabetics, please, 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 please learn to use portion control